Hey guys, got snores. Try surgical tape on your mouth when you sleep. The book Breath by James Nestor, he says, put surgical tape on your mouth and it'll help your mouth to stay shut when you're sleeping. Good luck. Let me know if it works for you.